I didn't get to share this model with you because I ran out of time today, but this is a model essay one. And Peter wrote much more than 800 words. I think he wrote 1,200 words. And you can write more than 800 words, but you can write a great essay in 800 words too, if you'd like. But I just want to show you, I've color coded it just to give you a visual. And I highlighted the hook in yellow. So you see that's how long his hook is. And see how it's a great story about his, he's an EMT and he spoke with one of his patients about happiness in the back of the ambulance. And it was a really deep conversation. And so he wrote, that was his hook. And it's a great hook. It's really specific. I was right there with him. It got me connected to him and wanting to read what else he had to say. This part that's not color coded is a transition. And then the pink passage is his background information, his happiness definition with, I think he actually only uses one source and I want you to use two, but it's a good definition. And then he's got another kind of long transition to his thesis, and there's his thesis, which is quite simple, but does everything it needs to do. I believe that my best and most happy life will come in the future from a career as a nurse and forging personal relationships with good people that I encounter in my life. So really nice, crystal clear thesis as it should be. And then the first body paragraph, I ran out of colors, but I did highlight the topic sentence in green, which, as it should, chunks the thesis into a piece and sets me up for this paragraph. And so his topic sentence is: an aspect of my life that I believe will bring me great joy is becoming and providing care to patients as a nurse. And that's what he goes on to write about. And that's where I ran out of colors, so I didn't get to highlight his evidence, but his analysis I highlighted in gray. And that's where he makes a connection back to his happiness definition, says how this vision of the future will bring him happiness. That's the analysis part. So there you have it, one way of doing it.